hi, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So recently मैंने Urbanic से फिर से shopping की है. As you can see, I'll tell you why am I shopping so much recently. It's because I'm going to Bangalore in few days. मैंने past में भी 2 Urbanic haul और बहुत सारे YouTube shorts भी डाले हैं. And again I shopped from Urbanic and whatever I got is amazing. The quality is amazing. मैं longer videos पे बहुत consistent नहीं हूँ, but I'm trying my best. मैं shorts पे बहुत consistent हूँ, but I'm trying to be consistent on my longer videos also. I want to make a lot of fun videos for you guys and a lot of informative videos as well जो मैं बनाती थी. So आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got from Urbanic recently. Also I have a code for you all. It's flashing on the screen right now. अगर आपको Urbanic से shopping करनी है, use my code and you'll save up a lot of money. So yes, without further ado, let's begin with the video. So starting off with the first thing that I got is this dress which I'm wearing right now. ये perfect है summer के लिए. It's so flowy and so beautiful and I love the color. If you see my wardrobe ना, मेरे wardrobe में बहुत colorful outfits है. Like you'll find all the colors in my wardrobe and that's my personal style. मैं ज़्यादा black नहीं पहनती हूँ. White I love, but black outfits मैं उतना नहीं पहनती हूँ. Even though you should have black outfits, but you should also try out different colors and prints. Dress is perfect for summer. It's like in this cotton material and I love the quality of it. और इसका there's this halter neck detailing. I'll put the size and price on the screen. As I told you guys, मैं Bangalore जा रही हूँ and वहाँ से मैं पौंडीचेरी भी जा रही हूँ and पौंडीचेरी के लिए ये outfit perfect है. Urbanic से मैंने जितने भी ड्रेसेस लिए हैं ना आज तक, आई थिंक सबका क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छा है एंड एवरीथिंग फिट्स मी सो परफेक्टली. आई सॉ दिस ड्रेस ऑन वेबसाइट एंड आई इमीडिएटली फेल इन लव विद इट. आई मीन लुक एट द कलर, इट्स इन दिस न्यूड शेड एंड यहाँ पे साइड में देयर इज़ दिस flowy net detailing going on and side में there is this ruched detailing and at the back there is this mesh detailing. I think you can see my face from here. So pretty, it's so summery and अभी तक मैंने इसको पहना नहीं है बाहर, but I'm planning to wear it when I'm in Bangalore. अभी कैलकाटा में तो कोई occasion है नहीं फ़िलहाल, तो मैं अभी ये नहीं पहनूंगी. So in my last Urbanic haul मैंने आप लोग को एक jeans दिखाया था brown color का, which I have worn so much, literally so much. It's so comfortable. मैंने उसको बहुत बार पहन लिया है. So this time I decided to get another pair of jeans and it's in this blue shade. मेरे पास इस shade का jeans नहीं है अभी recently जो मुझे fit कर रहा है. So I got this jeans in this blue shade and what I love the most about this jeans is that यहाँ पे एक pocket detailing है which I absolutely love. The quality of this jeans is so good. It's when you get it online you cannot really see the material of it and बहुत सारा jeans एकदम पतला होता है. And when you are buying jeans, it's really important to know your waist size, your thighs. Otherwise you will mess it up. Usually मैं jeans store में जाके खरीदती हूँ, but this time I blindly trusted Urbanic कि चलो ठीक है मैं ये ले लेती हूँ. I know my size, but कभी कभी फिर भी गलत हो जाता है. Like either it's छोटा, either it's बड़ा, एकदम कुछ भी problem नहीं हुआ and I can't wait to wear it. Next up we have a cord set. मतलब मैं जब भी shopping करती हूँ Urbanic से एक cord set तो मैं लेती ही हूँ, because I always say this that cords are so easy to style. अगर आप इसको एक साथ भी नहीं पहनना चाहते हो ना, you can wear this top with like other skirt, jeans, pants. You can wear this skirt with other crop tops or like a jacket, anything you can style this with. It's really easy to style cord sets. Material of this cord set is really good. Like it's so thick. Whenever you're buying white na, you have to be very careful because मैं इसको either stain कर देती हूँ या ये बहुत जल्दी गंदा हो जाता है. But अभी तक तो मैंने इसको खराब नहीं किया है. I love this crop top. It also has this like a tie-up detailing which I absolutely love. Okay, the next thing that I got, I think it's my favorite because I do not have anything like this in my wardrobe. It's this maxi skirt with this like a ruched detailing in the front and it fits me like a dream. Oh my god, you can style it with like a really nice top or like a corset and it will look amazing. मतलब मैंने अभी तक इसको बाहर नहीं पहना है. As I told you guys, I'm saving all these looks for Bangalore and Pondicherry. It's in this brown color. I don't know if it's brown or if it's like dark purple, but it has this like really beautiful satin finish to it. Thinking to wear it with like a corset. I also got like a corset top which I will show you guys. I'm thinking to wear this with like a white corset top. These kind of skirts are really trending right now. मैंने reels पे बहुत लोगों के profiles में देखा है, they are styling these kind of skirts and I thought I should get one and I should experiment with my style. So yeah, I can't wait to wear it. I will also post a shorts styling this skirt. मेरे wardrobe में Urbanic से I think around 6-7 tops हो गए हैं and I'm planning to make a video on like fully Urbanic tops because Urbanic tops are so beautiful. For the price you pay, you get amazing material, you get trendy style. यहाँ पे for like 700 to like 1000 इस category में आपको बहुत अच्छी corset top मिल जाएंगी and this is like so beautiful. I think कैमरा में ठीक से दिख नहीं रहा है, मैं इसको पहन के साइड में तो वीडियो लगाने वाली ही हूँ, बट आई थिंक कैमरा में यू कैन नॉट सी इट प्रॉपरली राइट नाउ. एंड दिस हैज़ दिस टाई अप डिटेलिंग. मैंने इसको ऑलरेडी 3-4 बार पहन लिया है एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोज़ ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक ऑन माई शॉर्ट्स. नॉट रियली श्योर अबाउट शॉर्ट्स बट इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने स्टोरीज़ में डाला था एंड सो मैनी ऑफ यू आस्क्ड कि ये कहाँ से है, लिंक प्लीज़. दैट नोट, इफ़ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, go follow me right now. This is like a bodysuit corset. Quality of this lace detailing is really nice and it doesn't look cheap at all because बहुत सारे lace detailing या corset detailing में जब भी you buy na, it can end up looking cheap. Next up I got a black bodysuit मेरे wardrobe में है नहीं, ये वाला लिया मैंने और एक ब्लैक कलर का बॉडी सूट टॉप लिया है मैंने बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू गाइज आई यूजुअली डू नॉट वेयर ब्लैक. I don't know why. I always wear like colorful outfits. This is a very cute bodysuit. यहाँ पे you can see कि हाथ में बहुत ही अच्छा detailing है and it's quite different and it comes with this V-neck and यहाँ पे भी there is this like really nice detailing, like ऐसे fold किया हुआ है. I don't know if you can see. This is also a bodysuit. The material is polyester, so you might feel a little hot in this, and also it's like really hot in Calcutta, and if you wear like a polyester black top आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लग सकती है. So these were all the clothes that I got. इस बार मैंने कुछ accessory नहीं लिया था. Last time I got a earring, but this time I decided to get like a tote bag because I do not have tote bag in my collection. I have made a affordable bag collection video in the past, but उसमें मैंने tote bag नहीं दिखाया था and I realized कि I should have a tote bag in my collection. तो मैंने ये tie-dye print में ये tote bag pick up किया and this has like a lot of space, and when I'm going to the beach in Pondicherry I can carry a lot of things like my camera and my lipstick, sunscreen and few makeup products, my perfume, phone, charger, all of that I can carry. So basically मैंने ये Pondicherry के लिए लिया था. This is like a jute material and ये बहुत ही मतलब अच्छे क्वालिटी का लग रहा है. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do not forget to use my code flashing on the screen right now. Follow me on Instagram and I hope you enjoyed this haul video. Let me know in the comments down below अगर आपको और भी haul videos देखनी है. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.